Hello students, let us continue with the corner of math problems. In the last class I have given two assignment questions which are these. I didn't get solutions from any of you, so one or two have solved but not completely. So let me give you solution for these problems. If you have done problems, verify the answer. If you have in half the way, either you have plotted the K map, then how to group, how to write the Boolean expression, that and all you can see. If you have not tried, please copy the problem at least. Okay, the first one, zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. It is AB this side, CD, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D and C, D bar. Now we will plot the ones in the K map. 0 is 1, 2 is 1, 6 is 1, 8 is 1, 10 is 1 and 12, 14 and 4, 9, 13 are don't care conditions. 4, 9, 13. So we will group it. How to group? I will make these 8 as octet, this side 4 and this side 4. If you do rolling of map, you can make this as an octet. Instead of making these two as squares, it is better to make these two as octets, and one more quad I will get. So okay, sorry, no need to have this quad also, because there are no ones, only don't care conditions. I will consider them as 0. If I consider this as 0, others also 0, only this one don't care condition I have considered, and the answer will be y is equal to d bar is common, so y is equal to d bar, only this one. They have asked for a circuit, logic circuit, so it is very simple. Using NAND gate, it is D and D bar. Using basic gate, you just include a NOT gate, that is D and D bar. That's all. Very easy problem. Nobody tried this, I guess. It's okay. Next one. Next problem. The second one. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Here it is AB and it is CD. A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B and A, B bar. C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D and C, D bar. So 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11 and 12, and don't care conditions are 0, 7 and 14. Now how to make group? See here you can make this as a quad, right, and these above 2 and bottom rows 2 becomes second quad, and third one will be this one, and fourth one will be either this or you can even do this, any one of this. I will do this one. So what will be my Boolean expression? Y is equal to, for this square, a bar is common and d is common, a bar d plus, for this square including these two ones and these two ones, b bar is common and d is common, b bar d plus, this is one of the pair. Here c bar d bar and a is common, so a c bar d bar plus, for this pair is one which eliminates only one variable. Here c d bar is common and b is common, so b c d bar. This will be our Boolean expression simplified. I don't think they'll ask NAND gate circuit for this. They'll be, you can write, if they ask for the circuit also, you can write a basic gate circuit. If they ask only write the logic circuit using basic gates, that's good. If they ask only write the logic circuit, use basic gates and write the logic circuit. I know this is your sub assignment, you have to write. This is the only assignment for today. Write logic circuit for this expression using basic gates. Okay, for this I have given this you as an assignment, but up to this I have solved. Only thing you have to do is write the logic circuit using basic gates. Okay. Okay, next problem. This is the question paper problem, model question paper 1 it is. Model question paper 1 problem it is. So here we don't have any don't care conditions mentioned, so directly mentioning ones in the K map. Try to solve the problem along with me. Okay, now mark the ones 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 12 and 13. Only this much they have given. Now try to group it. I will make this as one octet and this 4 I will include 4 ones for quad. So what will be my Boolean expression simplified one? It will be C bar plus, which is common, B bar and D bar is common. So Y is equal to C bar plus B bar D bar. So we should write the circuit for this using NAND gates. Only logic circuit they have mentioned. Using NAND gates will draw as well as for using basic gates. Using NAND gates, C I will take directly, B I will invert it to get B bar, D also I will take and invert it, it will be D bar. So if I make it NAND, I will get B bar, D bar, whole bar. Here this C I will directly give as an input for the final NAND gate. Y is equal to, it is C only, C into B bar, D bar, whole bar. So I will get C bar plus B bar, D bar, whole double bar. So C bar plus B bar, D bar I will get. This is my final expression what I wanted. I could achieve it using NAND gate circuit. And also using basic gates also you can write B, C, D, B bar, C bar, D bar it is, and C bar I will take here. If these two are ANDed, B bar, D bar, if it is given to the OR gate, you will get C bar plus B bar, D bar. This is what we wanted. Using basic gates in the sense using AND or NOT gates, it is using only NAND gates. Next one, it is from model question paper 2, the second problem. Simplify y is equal to f of a, function of a, b, c, d it is equal to sigma m 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 11, 13 plus sigma d 0, 7, 10, 15. And write the logic circuit using both basic gates and NAND gates. It is A, B, C, D, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B and A, B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D and C, D bar. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay. Markings 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 11, 13, 0, 7, 10, 15. Okay. Here 5 is not mentioned, I guess. Yes, it is not there. No problem. We can make one octet. This one and this one octet and one quad. This don't care condition will not consider that as 1, others will be 0. Okay, what will be my final expression between these two octets? B bar is common plus this quad, A and D is common, B bar plus AD. Using NAND gate circuit will be B I will be taking directly, A and D also I will take directly and NAND it. I will get AD whole bar and this B, it is B AD whole bar it will be B bar plus AD double bar. So I will get B bar plus AD, which was my simplified expression. This is NAND gate circuit. Only 2 NAND gates are enough to write this circuit. And using basic gates, 4 y's I have taken from A, B, C, D. B bar I want, and A and D should be ANDed, then given to the OR gate. And finally I will get B bar plus AD. Okay. Please, any doubts, please ask me, because it's a very important problems. 5 marks compulsory KMA problems will be there in the examination, and also it will be very helpful for your further studies. I have collected some more question paper problems. Question paper 2019 question paper problem, it was simplify the Boolean expression using K-map sigma m 0 to 4 5 8 10 12 14 plus don't care condition 6 and 13, and write the logic circuit for the simplified expression. That we also anyway will write it. If you write more and more circuits, then it will be easy for you to write the circuit by your own. Okay, markings 0, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 6 is don't care condition and 13 is don't care condition. Very easy it is, just like last problem. These two quads make octet, this side 4, this side 4, and this one make a quad. So y is equal to d bar is common plus b c bar. This is my final simplified expression. Try to write the logic circuit. Try to write the logic circuit. Using NAND gate, D bar it is, so only single variable I have to take D bar. B I will take directly C bar, I will include a NAND gate. Here it is B, B C bar whole bar and D bar. If I include one more NAND gate, what will be the output of that NAND gate? That Y is equal to D bar plus, D bar into B C bar whole bar. So if I apply De Morgan's theorem, it will be D plus B C bar. Okay. Okay, no need to include d bar here. Directly d we can take. Then I will get d bar plus pc bar. The using basic gates you can write, I guess I will write it for you. A, B, C, D. B I will take directly C bar. B, C bar, and D bar this. Okay, next question. It's also from the question paper 2016, 17. Simplify y is equal to sigma m 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 11, 13 plus don't care conditions 0, 10, 15. And also write the logic circuit for the simplified expression. Plot the K map, mark all the ones, and also don't care conditions. This AB this side, CD this side, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D and C, D bar 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, markings 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 11, 13. 0 is don't care condition, 10 is don't care condition and 15 is don't care condition. Again it's just like last problem. These two I will make octet and this one a quad. So what will be my final expression? Simplified expression will be between these two octets, these two rows, B bar is common. So it will be B bar plus this quad, A is common and D is common, B bar plus AD. So directly I will take B, AD also I will take directly, AD whole bar, it is B dot AD whole bar. If I simplify using De Morgan's theorem, B bar plus AD double bar, it will be B bar plus AD. Okay, this completes your K-map problems, and also we have written circuits too. Only thing, basic gate circuit you have to draw for this, that you will do, and we have solved lots of problems. That's enough. If you have any new problem come across in any question paper or old question paper, if you have collected, please practice that. Any doubts you can contact me. The next topic will be flip-flops and will be continuing in the next session. Thank you.